Chemistry doing it big. Face Mask Records in the building right now. They just got off stage doing it big. He's fresh, hot to death right now. I'm going to take it over here to this man right here because he's the one that was on the mic last. He's the one that left the mic smoking, just got on stage. How you doing, baby boy?
I'm doing all right.
Hey, let them know who you are, where you come from.
Okay, my name is Low-Key the Jr. I'm coming from Acres Home 44, Northside, Texas. You know what I'm saying? We put it down, Face Mask Records. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's going down. 2,000 in the down is going down. Be looking out for us, you know what I'm talking about?
What's up, I'm OC? Fofo, Big Flicker. Lil NSG, Never Stop Grinding. We want to put a play of Face Mask Records in the house.
Yeah, what's going down? This Bolo from Face Mask Records, baby. We in a building for 2009. We made that year 2010 with about 6 mixtapes. We finna do it, baby. It's going down. I got my boy JC3, my boy Low Key, my boys L Boogie and Tiller from Minnesota, and it's going down, baby.
Hey, let them know how to get in contact with you.
Hey, y'all can contact me at myspace.com/Face Mask Records or FaceMaskRecords@yahoo.com.
That's what's up. We got some more ballers back here. What's up, baby boy?
How's it going, baby girl? That's right. Hey, it's your boy Boogie right here, the king of the north. You know what I'm saying? Coming straight from Minnesota, down here, repping the South with my people. You know what I'm saying? Do One Records, Night Out Production, Face Mask Records, doing it big. You know what I'm saying? For to lock it down. Believe that.
Down to your boy.
Hey, yeah, what it do? This your boy Tiller checking in out the Midwest. Do One Records, Face Mask, Night Out Productions. You know what I'm saying? We putting it down for the H-Sound, repping the foe. My niggas out the Acres, we putting it down.
Come on. Face Mask Records. Face Mask Records. Doing it big right here. H-Sound, Purple Martini. You can come see this group live if you want. Thursday nights, open mic night. PKP Productions, your girl Chemistry. Face Mask Records, what's up?